Hey, big news in the world of electric vehicles. 7 of the world's largest automakers are teaming up to form a new company that aims to build an extensive network of electric vehicle chargers across America. And they're not just doing it to boost their sales. Their goal is to help potential EV buyers overcome range anxiety by accelerating the rollout of fast charging infrastructure. So let's dive into the details. Today, we got some electrifying news for you. Not one, not two, but 7 of the world's largest automakers are teaming up to revolutionize the EV charging game in America. Let's dive into the details. The dream team of automakers, including General Motors, Stellantis, Hyundai, Kia, Honda, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz, is coming together to create an exciting new venture. With a joint investment of $1 billion, they're set to revolutionize the electric vehicle charging landscape. Their ambitious plan aims to build a vast network of fast-charging infrastructure, easing range anxiety for potential EV buyers and accelerating the adoption of electric vehicles across America. So why are they doing this? Their ultimate goal is to revolutionize the electric vehicle landscape and entice more potential buyers by swiftly deploying a robust network of fast-charging infrastructure nationwide. With significant federal funding backing their mission, they aspire to create a seamless and appealing EV journey for everyone, propelling the widespread adoption of electric vehicles across America. Get ready to witness the future of sustainable transportation unfold before your eyes. Now here's the juicy part. In a groundbreaking move, the newly formed charging network is breaking down barriers by accommodating both Tesla's North American Charging Standard, NACS, and the Combined Charging System, CCS, used by other automakers. This level of inclusivity is a game changer, as it eliminates charging compatibility concerns and ensures that electric vehicle owners from various brands can seamlessly access the charging infrastructure. It's a powerful step towards creating a unified and user-friendly charging ecosystem, further propelling the electric vehicle revolution in America. No matter which electric vehicle you own, rest assured that this charging network has got you covered. But hold on, because this charging network is taking things to a whole new level of luxury and convenience. These charging stations are not your average run-of-the-mill chargers. They are going all out to create a truly elevated charging experience. It is like canopies gracefully shielding you from the elements, spacious and comfortable restrooms to freshen up during your charging stop, delightful food service offering a range of treats to satisfy your cravings, and even retail shops where you can indulge in some shopping while your EV powers up. It's not just about recharging your vehicle, it's about making your charging time delightful and enjoyable. With this exceptional focus on customer experience, these automakers are set to redefine the way we perceive electric vehicle charging, making it an enticing and luxurious part of your electric journey. So get ready to experience EV charging like never before. And hey, absolutely, it's not just about revolutionizing the electric vehicle experience. It's also a significant step towards preserving our planet. These charging stations will be powered by renewable electricity, marking a substantial shift towards a cleaner and greener future. By harnessing renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, or hydropower, these automotive giants are actively reducing their carbon footprint and promoting sustainable practices. This commitment to eco-friendly power sources aligns with their shared vision of combating climate change and promoting environmental stewardship. With each charge from these stations, EV drivers will be contributing to the global efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and lessen the dependence on fossil fuels. So it's not just a charging network, it's a pivotal move towards a more sustainable and environmentally conscious transportation ecosystem. Embracing electric vehicles and renewable energy together, these automakers are steering us towards a brighter and cleaner future for generations to come. Indeed, it's natural to wonder about the absence of Volkswagen, Ford, and Toyota from this impressive coalition. Each of these automakers has chosen its path in the electric vehicle charging landscape. Volkswagen has been making significant strides with Electrify America, a prominent player in the charging infrastructure domain. Ford, on the other hand, took the early route of adopting Tesla's charging technology, establishing its own charging network. As for Toyota, they might be focusing on different aspects of their electric vehicle strategy. However, the absence of these automotive giants doesn't diminish the significance of the joint venture. On the contrary, it amplifies the spirit of competition, which is known to fuel innovation. Each company's unique approach to charging technology and infrastructure will likely drive them to push the boundaries further and introduce more creative and efficient solutions. As they embark on their distinct paths, the competition will inspire them to evolve, adapt, and refine their offerings, ultimately benefiting electric vehicle users and contributing to the overall growth and accessibility of the electric vehicle ecosystem. In the end, it's the shared goal of a greener future and the electrification of transportation that unites them all, regardless of the different routes they choose to take. As the electric vehicle market continues to soar, the demand for fast and reliable public charging infrastructure is reaching unprecedented heights. With over 32,000 publicly available fast chargers currently in the US, the need for more charging stations is becoming increasingly evident. By 2030, experts predict that the country will require a staggering 182,000 fast chargers to accommodate the projected 30 to 42 million plug-in vehicles expected to hit the roads. This exponential growth in the EV market is a clear indicator of the accelerating shift towards sustainable transportation and the increasing popularity of electric vehicles among consumers. To meet this colossal demand, automakers and charging network providers are embarking on ambitious projects like the recent joint venture formed by General Motors, Stellantis, Hyundai, Kia, Honda, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz. Their commitment to investing in a vast network of fast charging stations is a crucial step towards alleviating range anxiety and making EV adoption more appealing and convenient for potential buyers. Additionally, the push for renewable energy to power these stations further aligns with the collective goal of creating a cleaner and greener future for transportation. These automakers have a history of successful collaborations, and this joint venture is a fantastic step towards an electrified future. Together, they aim to shape a world where electric vehicles rule the roads. Oh, sure, because automakers teaming up to create an extensive EV charging network is definitely not a big deal, right? I mean, who needs collaboration and innovation when we can stick to the good old ways of doing things? Can't wait to see how Elon Musk handles this earth-shattering challenge from the dream team of automakers. So, buckle up. The future of electric vehicles is looking brighter than ever with this revolutionary charging network coming your way soon. That's all for this electrifying update, folks. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you're excited about this EV revolution, and subscribe to our channel for more groundbreaking news on electric vehicles and the latest trends in the automotive world. Keep those batteries charged and stay tuned for our next video. Watch our other video on the cheapest EV ever. Until then, drive green and drive happy.